Grabe,
Okay. Isa naman.
napaka-generous talaga nila. Napaka-generous.
Hanapin ko lang po yung isa ha.
Sige
Sandali
pa,
po,
sige
hanapin
pa.
ko lang po.
Nasa messenger ho yun, sunod-sunod po yung pinasa ko.
Apo.
Kaya kung pag naranasan nyo rin po yun, ewan ko. Walang kasing saya. Marami na akong napuntang mga event, pero kami po yung gumagastos sa sarili ng bulsa. Pero dito, halos wala ko kaming linabas. Ang linabas lang namin yung pinang-shopping. Siyempre, magsha-shopping ka ng mga iuwi mo. Yun lang. Lahat libre, grabe yun. Libre po lahat. Pati pagkain, masasarap, buffet. Grabe. Si Coach Anton nga, asan si Coach Anton? Tumimbang mo siya ng 2 kilo, nadagdagan yung timbang niya 2 kilo. Wala kaming ginawa kundi kumain ng kumain eh. Busog pa kami mamaya, ano na naman, dinner na naman. Busog, yung umaga pa lang, solve na kami. Solve na kami yung umaga dahil buffet rin po yung breakfast. Tapos, ilang oras lang, lunch na. Tapos sa lunch, buffet rin. Buffet rin po yung last, kaya bundat. Tapos mamaya, tapos dinner na naman. Kaya halos hindi kami natutunawan sa totoo lang.
Excuse me po, Sir Eddie. Yun ang una, yung visiting the Tag Market Office in Dubai, ano? Tag Office in Dubai. Nagawa na yung first and second, ano? So yung kay Sir Anton na lang, ano?
Sige, open nyo naman kay Sir Anton. May dalawa yung kasi yung sa akin, may part 1, part 2. Yung part 2 pa yung na-play nyo.
Part 2 po na-play ko. O, sige. Sandali lang po. Ito yung isa. So,
Yung part 1 maganda rin yung part 1.
Sige pa. Sandali po.
Sunod-sunod po yan. Sunod-sunod siya. Yan, pinapakita po natin yung mga mga ginawa nating mga video doon para pwede nyo po yung ipasa doon sa mga nagda-doubt pa rin hanggang ngayon na hindi pa rin naniniwala sa Tag Market niyan. Pasa nyo po yan, yung mga video na ginagawa natin, na-upload natin para ngayon.
Yan, ito po yung ating founder.
Yan po yung part 1 na.
Ayan po. Tama po, yan po yan.
Yan po.
Ayan, yung packet po kami ng elevator niyan galing sa baba.
I need to go out.
You say all the big earners are here.
Yep, there we go.
Oh, here?
Left side.
Ayan, so ito na po yung ating office. Ayan po. Ayan, papasok na tayo sa ating office.
Ang ganda ng office natin.
Maganda ho. Kabilaan po yan, maluwang ho yan. Kabilaan yung kanan, doon po sila po.
Office. Okay, yan yung ating Tag Market office. Yan. Hello, Sir Nick. Good morning.
Yung founder natin, no? Nakasabay namin.
Papasok na. Sir Kenny, may kausap.
What can you say about the office, Usman?
Middle East situation.
Well, that's the way.
Yan, kilala niyo po yan, si Mr. Ismail. Grabe po yan, mama no.
What can you say about our office in one word?
Andun si Smiley.
Amazing.
Nako,
Amazing.
Si Edinot.
Famous Edinot.
Mga bigatin po yung mga nakasabay namin, mga nakasama namin.
Tag
Mga
Market
bigatin mga leader.
website just win. Oh, you always win.
Yeah, there's like sort of you will see sort of kind of telephone booths, and
Ito
we
na
can
po yung
do
office.
meetings from the
Ito mga
telephone.
great leaders from all around the world. Si Mr. Ismail.
Mail.
Sasalita yata siya dyan.
Si Sir Edinop. Ayan.
Fortuna. Ako, napaka-busy ni Fortuna. Ang dami ko usap.
Ciao.
Kaya si Ma'am Julian. Yan po nag-aayos ng mga problema po sa ating Ma'am Julian.
Mamaya po ay magsisimula na po yung ating meeting. So hinahanda lang po yung ating conference room kung saan gaganapin yung meeting. Ayan, dito po. Ito po yung ating meeting. Ayan, nakaready na po yung mga upuan. Ayan, ito po yung aming very important meeting today and tomorrow. Yan, meron din bukas. At nandito na po yung mga top leaders, no, ng iba't ibang bansa. Nagpapasokan na po sila. Kaya ayan. We are preparing for our meeting at 11:30, so may 10 minutes pa po. May 10 minutes pa bago magsimula. Hello, Ma'am Connie. What can you say about our office?
Amazing. This is so legit. And now we're going to have training here. That's right.
That's our training room.
And we all have the top earners of this company. So join us, guys.
We are 40 of the top earners.
In 1 year, I will make myself $1 billion. Well, thank you. Namaskar.
Marami po yung Team India, 17 po sila.
Nadatingan na. Kaya 40 po. Nata 40 po kami lahat. 40 po na mga top leaders from around the world. Yung mga invited dito po sa ating gaganaping special meeting dito po sa ating office mismo. Yan, ini-interview po isa-isa.
Hello. Please tell me how I
Doktor yun, Ma'am Glo, doktor, yung mas maliit, doktor yun. Yan ang pinaka-leader nila. Pinaka-leader nila.
Yeah.
Because these part-time, they talk we are let's follow all of us. With his experience and his wisdom. That's called IEC. Yes. Thank you very much.
So tell me something, Dr. Vice Dala, please.
No need to follow anyone. I mean to say you create your history with your own. That is the right. I can say the answer to got the success. So tech market, as I know about the tech market, the big person, Mr. Kenny and Raj is here. They have a good experience with network marketing before. So that's why we all are here with the tech market. Now of course it is working like a traditional market, not working as a network market.
राजस्थान के लिए कुछ स्पेशल मैसेज
He
डाला है आपकी
he
तरफ से?
belongs to an Indian and he is our man leader and we all are follow him because Dr. Bezul Sinhala is a great leader and he is always support to every leaders like Odisha state or like Rajasthan state, like UP state, any entire India he will doing everywhere. So that's why I really appreciate him and thank you for your.
राजस्थान टीम के लिए कोई मैसेज डाला है आपकी तरफ
I am
से?
here due to the Mr. Raj is here.
राजस्थान टीम के लिए कोई मैसेज सर? राजस्थान टीम के लिए आपकी तरफ से?
राजस्थान को अभी टॉप करने ही वाला है. जैसे हम लोग पहुंचेंगे already राजस्थान.
Doktor po siya. Yan, doktor po siya from India. Ito nga po yung mga top leaders po natin. Grabe, ini-interview po ng isa-isa para po ay for motivation po ng mga team. Ayan. Mga top leaders po ito ng India. Ayan, mga Indian leaders po ito. Marami sila, 17 lahat sila. Sa ating unity may 4 pa lang, pero I believe na soon sa mga susunod na event ay marami na tayo.
So photo मेरा भी एक photo ले लो please. अरे पहले मिला लो.
Office din po dito.
Yung mga ano yan, mga anak ni Ismail, Mr. Ismail, yung nasa kusina. Interviewin ko rin, konti.
This is also part of the office. This is our coffee room.
Yan po yung kusina.
Hi, Solisedi. What can you say about our tag market? What can you say?
We have finally arrived
no better office that I've seen, guys. This is what it's all about. We come to the head office here in the beautiful city of Dubai, and we're just going to bring content. Stay tuned, guys.
Thank you, thank you. How about you, ma'am? What can you say about
This is the place to be. If you are not here, you are missing out. What a beautiful office, modern, with beautiful views, and very passionate people. Next time, make sure you are here. You not miss out.
Thank you, thank you. Hello, Ma'am Julian. Hi, this is our famous Ma'am Julian.
Hello everyone. Oh, we're so excited. I am so excited. Amazingly welcoming all the leaders here in Dubai. We are now in the top office and amazing things await you. Just keep in touch and keep your ears all alert because they are bringing you amazing messages, wonderful messages, messages that are going to push you forward and you are going to achieve what you want to achieve through that market and Stratify. This is the money making year and this is the money making season. So stay tuned, stay alert and be very vigilant because what we are about to bring is awesome. Thank you.
Thank you, Ma'am Julian. Power!
Ayun.
Okay.
Ayun, kay
This
Sir
guy is
Anton
the
naman.
best scalper in the world. For the first time
Ayun,
ever,
bago
will
tayo
he
mag-question and answer, play natin yung kay Sir Anton.
Aha.